Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J. And on this channel, I do home decor videos, shop with me's, DIYs, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. Today, I have an exciting video for you guys. We are going to talk about my top 5 home decor items you need in order to achieve that designer, luxurious look in your home. And the best part about these items is that they are affordable. So the first item you need in your home in order to get that designer look are vases and vessels. Now I want to definitely include vases and vessels in my top 5 list because they are multifunctional. Because not only are they functional for holding florals and all that jazz, they can be very sculptural and kind of used as a sculptural piece, like a figurine, like how I have over here my limestone knot. That is a figurine and it's sculptural. It's a decor piece. A lot of vases have that same effect as well. Now I'm gonna give you guys a lot of examples here. I brought out everything that I had that was affordable and good. So the first vase I have right here is this vase from Target. This vase was $15. This is the Threshold brand. Now you guys cannot tell me that this vase does not look like it's something that's worth way more than $15. And this looks like something that Pottery Barn carries. It actually looks like something very similar to what they have. This can be used on its own. You don't have to put anything in this. A lot of people like to kind of layer their vases. They actually do have a larger version of this at Target for $35. Also, if your friends and family have tons of vases that they're not using, ask if they're looking to give any of them away. My mother-in-law gave me this one. And look how beautiful this thing is. Now, when she gave it to me, it was spray painted in a copper color. This one I DIY and I have a whole video on that on my channel. I'll link it down below. And basically I kind of gave it this textural earthenware look. I also have this concrete pedestal bowl that I actually made. I have a video on this too. I will link that one down below. And I just filled it with some moss. Target also has a foot bowl that looks just like this. I know it's been sold out. If you can't find it and you really want this bowl, then just make it yourself. Okay, since we're talking about vases, vessels, this kind of goes into my number 2 item you need in your home in order to have that designer look, and that is florals or stems, greenery, plants. Pick whatever you like, but you need these in your home if you want to have that designer look. I've used all of these in my home. I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorites. This one is eucalyptus, and I actually got this from Target. This is from the Hearth and Hand line. I think these were $5.99 for each stem. I love using olive stems. I got these from Amazon. You guys can see right behind me, I have my pampas grass. That's actually faux pampas grass I got from CB2. At the time, pampas grass was really expensive. You can only get it at certain places. Now it's a little easier to get. And then now I found a field that I can just get it for free. I just love the look of my faux pampas grass back there, and I don't have to worry about it shedding. So win-win. You can use really anything. You can use succulents, you can use faux, you can use real, whatever your heart desires. If you want to save money, just go out into your front yard, pick some stems, but definitely utilize the plants you have around your home. Okay, item number 3 that you need in your home in order to get that designer look are throw pillows. Throw pillows will definitely elevate your space, but it can also transform your space. So if you want to change things up and kind of give your home a different look or elevate it, refresh it, it's a very affordable way of doing so. Now, throw pillows can get expensive. We want to keep things affordable here. So I encourage you to go to places like HomeGoods. Amazon has plenty of options. So I have a couple to show you guys. I bought these from HomeGoods and I believe these were under $20. I think this one was $16.99. So these are feather filled, so you're able to get that chop, which definitely elevates your space even more. I have this fur pillow right here that I got from HomeGoods. I have this one on my couch right now because I needed to add some warmth. I really brought this in during the holiday season to kind of bring in that cozy feeling, but I love this channel tufted look right now. It's really in and trending right now. It's also feather filled, so you're able to get that chop, which like I said, it's going to elevate your space even more. And you guys, don't skip out on your outdoor space. You can add pillows to your outdoor area to achieve that indoor-outdoor feel. I picked up this pillow from Target. This is the Studio McGee line, and I'll show you guys a clip of what this looks like on my outdoor set. But it's a beautiful pillow. I think this was $16.99, and it really does make a huge difference in your home. You would not go to any designer home, model home, and not see throw pillows. Here's another one I got from HomeGoods. This was, I believe, I don't know, $12.99, $16.99. And this I also have outside as well. Okay, the number 4 item you need in your home in order to get that designer look is wall art. So I want to keep this affordable. And my advice to you is to either create your own. I have this piece of wall art right here I got from Ross for $24. And my plan is to paint over this and just create something myself. Abstract art is very, very expensive. You can find it more affordably at places like HomeGoods. And I also want to talk about the picture frames you guys can get from IKEA. You guys, I picked up this piece. I believe it's a 19 by 27. They do have a larger one and they have smaller ones, and it already comes with the mat. Now, I did want a smaller mat, so I follow one of Kiva's videos to make my own out of poster board. I did make my own, and I realized I wanted something a little bit smaller and a little bit wider. So I did end up going to Hobby Lobby to have them make me a smaller mat, and they charged $20 for the mat and to cut it down to size. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on wall art, and I feel like wall art is definitely mandatory if you want that designer look, and it's a great way to bring your personality into your home. I actually have one right behind me. If you guys can't tell, it's just why I'm still working on it, but have fun with it. Okay, number 5, the number 5 item I feel like you need in your home in order to have that designer look. Now, you will not go to any designer home without seeing one of these items. Now, I have many to show you guys. And the number 5 item are books. Now, I have a Tom Ford book here. I know this one isn't considered affordable. I did get it half off, so I did not pay original price for it. But when I bring up coffee table books, I don't want you guys to just think of books like this. Now, although this is very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, this is not exactly what I am referring to. Now, if you like design, fashion design, maybe this might be something you want to bring into your home. But display books that you're into, books that you're interested in, books that you love to read. Displaying your books is definitely going to give your home that high-end look. All the designers do it. I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorite. This one is the Live Beautiful book by Athena Calderon. I love this book because I love interior design. So this is one that I like displaying and looking at, and these are great conversation pieces as well. You have these out on your coffee table. Your guests can come over and look at them. They're just so beautiful to look at, and they look beautiful when you layer them. Now, these are one of those items that are multifunctional, so I like using these as risers. So behind me, I have 2 books to kind of elevate a figurine that I have over there and kind of give it some height. You can use these to really fill a space on a table. You can have these out for your guests to look at, enjoy. The possibilities are endless. I also have cookbooks. I have this one out on my counter. This is the Cook Beautiful by Athena Calderon. I love this book. Let me just show you guys a couple pages. The photography in this book is just amazing, and I am a foodie. Now, if you want to add coffee table books to your home and you don't want to spend any money on them, you guys can get them for free. These are more magazines, but they're very thick and substantial. It's really like a book. These are from Restoration Hardware. You can go on their website and request these magazines for free. They'll send you all of them that they have available. They're also a great way to bring in your personality in your home, or color, texture. Okay, we reached the end of the video. I did want to include an honorable mention, which are candles. I cannot end this video without adding candles in there somewhere. I love using candles in my home. I usually have candles burning behind me when I'm doing my videos and kind of create a cozy ambiance. Not only that, find your favorite ones and they make your house smell amazing. They can really change your mood and uplift you. I have really gravitated towards candles. I have a lot that I kind of switch out, I feel like, every day. Don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money on candles. I have a bunch that's affordable This one is a West Elm candle that I found at HomeGoods for like $10. I really like getting the Sand and Fog brand at HomeGoods. They're super affordable. They really do fill up an entire room, and they have so many to choose from. These candles from the Project 62 line, they have several different scents and different colors. I feel like they all smell amazing. And these, I believe, are $12.99. All right, guys, so we reached the end of the video. If you guys made it to the very end, thank you guys so much. So my question to you, what is your top item that you need to bring into your home in order to get that designer luxurious look? I'm interested to know, so please leave your comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.